For this science experiment, you will need water, 4 to 5 cups or jars, food coloring, and a metal spoon. Make sure that the spoon is metal. Let's grab our metal spoon and clink it to the glasses. They should all make essentially the same sound. Now we are going to be taking our water and filling up the glasses with different levels of water. So for my first glass here, I'm going to put the least amount of water. Then in my second glass, I'm going to put a little more water. Then in my third, I'm going to put a little more. And in my fourth, it will be the most amount of water. To see that there are different water levels in each glass or jar, we are going to be putting food coloring, a different color in each jar or cup to see the different water levels. Yes, I know that these two colors do look the same, the ones on the end, but this one's actually more of a lighter purple and this one's more of a dark blue / dark purple. Anyways, now that we have different colors of food coloring in each glass or jar, we are going to take our metal spoon again and just clink on them. The sound should now all be different. Do you guys hear that? The sounds are all different. Some of them are higher, some of them are lower. Let's listen again. Again, I can hear that they are all different. Have fun with this. You could try putting all the same water levels. You could all try putting all low. You could do like this. Anyway, put different colors. Have fun with this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share.